Hello everyone, we continue our tutorial on how to open door part 3. From the last tutorial, we can rotate the character right and left, but when we walk the character, the leg icon still control the leg, so we want to disable it. Only use the leg icon when the character need to turn or rotate. Go to our door folder BPI anim, open it, add function, name it set trace leg, add input, name is trace. Go to third person character blueprint, find the ABP menu. For the interface, double click on set trace leg, right click promote to variable, name it IK leg trace, get character leg L, get right vector, and then set it to default left forward, get character, get leg O, then get right vector, multiply, right click convert float to -1 and set to default right forward, next to default right forward, then set left planted to true, set right planted to true. Go to control rig and search for the control rig that we use, advanced foot hand, and then get trace alpha, connect to rotation alpha with the rotation alpha. Go to ABP menu, and for the event we add pin to the sequence, get IK leg trace, create a branch and connect the sequence to the branch, move this down, get trace leg alpha, call f interp2 and target is 1, get var delta second, connect it to delta second, interp speed is 10 and set trace leg alpha, connect it to trace leg alpha, and if it's true, and copy this, paste it. If it false, target is 0, and for the trace leg alpha we set it to 0. Go to third person character blueprint, create a custom event, name it check turn, and get door, call is valid, create a custom event, name it turn to door, and if the door is valid, call turn to door. When we turn to door, get turn side, get anim instant from mesh, call set turn side, and connect the turn side to the turn side, get anim instant, call set trace leg and set it to true. Let's play test, and now the character not controlled by control rig, and when we press E, the character walk to the door, open it, and for the open door in, we not yet call play montage, we call check turn and delete this play montage and this check turn too. And now we not yet controlled by the control rig, and when we press E, now the character controlled by the control rig and not yet open the door. But for the transform rotation, we use the actor rotation. Delete this rotation, and another one also get actor rotation. The character need to turn left or turn right to the door, and we find the less angle that character need to turn and turn at that side. Get actor right vector, get actor location, make vector, split the location x and y, get unit direction vector from the actor location, and get door, get location scene component LOC, get world location, make vector, split the world location, connect x to x, y to y, connect it to 2, call dot product of the vector, connect the actor right vector to the unit direction, and we get actor right vector, copy and paste, multiply it by -1. When we multiply it by -1, it becomes left vector of the character, and dot product with the unit direction and call a cos degree for these two values and compare it less than, and then set turn sign. This one we can find the turn sign that need less angle to the door. Go to turn to door, move this, get AP leg right and set default position, get AP leg left, set default position. Add variable, name it start step, and add variable, name it stop turn, and we set start step to false and set stop turn to false too. And when we set trace leg, get BP leg manager and set component tick enable to false, component tick enable to true. Add variable, name it trace and set trace to true. Copy the timeline of the turn custom event. Right click, paste here, rename it to add your rotation, open it, and we have the last graph that we created. Connect the set trace to play from start. Create a custom event, call it stop rotation. This one we call when the character is facing the door, and set stop turn to true, make it to stop, and the value multiply it with 1.15 This value you can increase or decrease it if you want the character to rotate slow or fast. Get actor rotation, split, and for the yaw, add the yaw again, subtract it with the z value. And for the update, we create a branch and get turn side, connect it to the branch. If it's true, we set actor rotation and split the rotation, connect it to z, copy and paste. And if it false, use the subtraction, connect to new rotation z. And when the rotation timeline is finished but not yet facing the door, we have to loop it back and create a branch, get stop turn. If stop is false, set trace to false. Then connect it to the set trace leg. And we know that it facing the door when we get actor forward vector, get door, get actor right vector, get door in, and select vector, connect the right vector to the b value, multiply it by -1, connect it to a value, dot product of these two values, call a cos degree. If it less or equal to 3 degree, we connect it and create a branch. If it false, we continue to rotate, and if it's true, we stop rotate. Call stop rotation. And after we stop the rotation, we call play montage event function to open the door. And then get character movement, set rotation rate to normal rotation is 500. Let's play test. Press E and the character walk. Press E, but we not yet disable the leg IK. For play montage, we get a name instance of the character called set trace leg and set it to false. And when we stop rotation, set trace to false too. Let's play test. And press E when the character turn opposite the door. The character will turn to the door and then open the door. Before the character turn to the door, we don't want the character to snap to the target like that. We want the character to take the few steps to the target location and then she start to rotate to the door. So delete this set actor transform. The door, we get front point, get the location, make vector and split it, connect x to x, y to y, get capsule component, get capsule half height, connect it to z, get actor location for the vector, subtract it with actor location and divide it by 2, convert to float is 2. Add the actor location, with the vector. Call move component tool. Tick on ease in, ease out, force, shortest rotation path. Overtime is 0.4, and for the component is capsule component, like it2 component. If it is valid for move, for the location is the location of the half distance to the target location of the door, and get actor rotation, -2 target rotation. Copy this move component tool, and when it complete, call move, and then connect this vector to the target relative location. Disable is out, connect it to check turn, and for the open door out, delete this set actor transform, and copy this move to component. Next is valid to move and complete to check turn. For the door, get back point, connect to get word location. And now we play test. Press E and character move to the target location. We forget to connect the capsule component to the move component tool. This one. And get actor rotation to target relative rotation. Play test. Press E and character fly to the target location. And we want the character to step to that target location, not fly like that. To get the foot position to control the control rig of the leg, we need a function the same as BP leg. So add new variable, name it right target. Variable type is vector. Add new variable, name is left target. Add new variable, name is right start position. Add new variable, name is foot position no high. Add new variable, name is plan start position. Add new variable, name is target position. Add new variable, name is foot position. Add new variable, name is left start position. Add new variable, name is percentage replanted. Variable type is float. Add new variable, name is time since unplanted. Add new variable, name is stop time. Add new variable, name is stop high. Compile, and for stop time, default value is 0.4, and stop high, default value is 12.5. And then add new function, rename it to foot position L. Add input is plan start position, and variable type is vector. Add input, name is target position. Set plan start position, then set target position. Create a sequence. First we get time since unplanted, divide it by stop time, and set percentage replanted. And then we get plan start position, call love vector, target position, connect it to B, and for all of these variable category is foot, left target, right start position, foot position no high, plan start position, target position, put position, left start position, then take replanted, time seen unplanted, stop time. Add new variable, name it replan speed curve. And variable type to curve float object reference. Compile, select speed curve, step speed curve. Duplicate the curve, rename it to replan high curve. Compile, and for the replan high curve, we choose step high curve. Get replan speed curve, get float value, get percentage replanted, connect it to in time, and connect it to loop alpha, and set it to put position no high. At pin, we get the plan high curve, get float value, get percentage replanted, connect it to in time, and multiply, get stop high, connect it, make vector, and connect it to z, get put position no high, and then add it with the vector, and then add new variable, name it left foot position, and the variable type is vector, and set left foot position, name it to left foot position, add pin, get time seen unplanted, call add, get var delta second, name it to add, call set time seen unplanted, set it, name it to sequence. Duplicate this function and rename it to put position all. Open it, then duplicate the left foot position variable, rename it to right foot position, and set it to left foot position instead. Go to BPI-anim, add new function, name it to step before door, and add input is trace. Go to ABP menu, double click on step before door, then set IK leg trace. Add new variable, name it trace before. Set it with the IK leg trace and create a branch. Set left rotation, Y is 90, and set right rotation, X is 40, Y is minus 90, and Z 180. And then for the leg manager, after it is valid, we get trace before, only do the leg trace when it is false, and add pin, create a branch, get trace before, get character, get right foot position, set it to right foot position if it's true, get left foot position, set it to left foot position, get left rotation, call loop rotator, B is 90 for Y, alpha is 0.1, set shortest path to true, set it to left rotation. Get right rotation, call left rotator. X is 40, Y is minus 90, and Z is 180. Alpha is 0.1. Shortest path is true and set right rotation. Connect it to the right rotation. Go to third person character and for the event tick, create a sequence. Get start step, create a branch and connect it to the branch. Create a custom event, name it set footstep, and if it's true we set footstep. Go to set footstep event, add new variable, name it switch left right, and variable type is boolean. Get switch left right, create a branch, and if it's true we call foot position L function. Get left start position, connect it to plan start position. Get left target vector, connect it to target position, and then if it falls, call foot position all. Get right start position, get right target, connect it to target position. Then for our open door in, when it's complete, we get a name instance and then call step before door and trace is false, and copy this for the open door out. Set step before door and trace to fall to stop trace, and create a custom event, name it one step, and we call this event after the door is valid for open door in event, and open door out event we call one step too. Go to one step event, set time since unplanted to 0 and set percentage replanted to 0. Set start step to false and set switch left right to false. Call line trace by channel. Get BP leg right, add new function, name it find project vector. Get door in boolean, get world location of the mesh, then select the target, connect door into the index. Get door, get front point, connect it to true, and get back point, connect it to false. Then split it, make vector, connect x to x, y to y. Get actor location, split, make vector, connect x to x, y to y, and subtract it. Create a return node, and output is return value, and connect it to the return value. Add new function, name it project start at location. For the input, select BP leg object reference and leg component. Add input vector, the name is project vector, For the leg component, get world location and we get forward vector and find the raycast length. For the project vector, add with the world location, get forward vector, multiply with the raycast length, connect it to add, then multiply the raycast length with -2, make vector and connect it to z. Add it with the vector of the z, then create a return node for the output. Add variable, name it start position. Add variable, name it add position. Next to start position and this one to add position, and set find project vector to pure function and project start add to pure function. Get BP leg right, then call project start add location, connect the leg right to leg component and call find project vector, connect it to project vector and connect the start position to start, add position to add. Break the hit result and set it to right target for the location. Copy this line trace, paste it, get leg left and connect it to leg component, and then call line trace by channel, get leg off, get world location and connect it to start, get BP leg right, get ray cast length, multiply it by -4, make vector, connect it to z, get world location, add it with the vector, connect it to add. Break the hit result and set right start position, next location to the right start position. Copy this and paste it, set leg L and get BP leg left. For the result, set it to left start position, get left start position, set it to left foot position, get right start position, set to right foot position and set start step to true, get anim instant step before door and set trace to true, delay for 0.4 seconds, and for the line trace by channel of the leg left, set it to left target, copy it, paste and set time seen unplanted to 0, set percentage replanted to 0 and set stop time to 0.5 and set switch left right to true. Let's play test. Press E and then character walk 2 step and then open the door. Go to play montage, get BP leg manager set component tick enable, and we disable this event tick. Go to BP lag manager, and for class default, search for tick and set start with tick enable to false. We have a little bit problem at the ABP menu and turn size, set A to 1 and B to -1. And when we play, press E, and now the character turn to the door and then open the door. For the next tutorial, we will create hand IK to control the hand of the character to place at the right location of the handle. And this is the end of our tutorial. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment section below, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. It really means a lot to me. Thank you very much, and see you in the next tutorial.